These are the blue pumps we're installing in Kalikajara. They're lined well. They also pull their water from this open well over here. So I'm going to take a look. So how do we not come to rehabilitate their two broken pumps and to clean the water to improve the quality? This village would have been relegated to remain drawing water exclusively from dirty wells. Let's go take a look at this well over here. Very sad to see communities drinking this water. So Kalikajara is a village about 1 kilometer off the secondary road, the main road, so a bit difficult to get off of. So it's maybe 15k off the main highway. Pretty remote. Not much development comes this way. 12 compounds. This is their other open well here. As you can see, it's unlined. Bees floating around, things floating around on top of the water. So thanks again to Water Charity for helping us bring these two blue pumps here today, so they no longer have to drink out of open wells.